That wallet isn't yours at the moment, but it's about to be. I'm laying out the entire playbook to rug a token and walk away with insane money. The full method is coming, but first, don't mess this up. If you're setting up on Pump Fun, halt and hear me out. If you check Photon's Pump Fun section, you'll see meme coins spawning like crazy. As we speak, Flufoification just went live, but they will be instantly buried. The issue? Pump Fun's completely saturated since creating a token requires no effort whatsoever. Radium changes the game. We're seeing just 8 coins minted in the last 5 minutes. No overcrowding. The FOMO, real. Witness these numbers. Tens of thousands in liquidity, triple-digit gains, 10,000 volumes. Serious traders prefer Radium since you can't just copy-paste a token contract. That's our golden ticket, step by step coming up. This is the Radium shortcut they don't want you to know. Launch tool. Bypass the coding nonsense completely. 30 days of proof. The profit potential here is actually insane. First, let's create our logo. Open Canva, create a 128 by 128 canvas. Found an absolute fire logo for my coin after digging through Google. Staying loyal to animals, I found a pic of this hilarious looking squid. Next step, adjust the framing if necessary and hit save. Simple as that. Ready to launch this meme token, navigate to launchtool.io. Step 1 is hooking up your wallet. Just press select wallet and pick the one you trust. Step 2, make it official. Type your token's name in Squid Coin and a memorable ticker in Squid, all caps. For the description, keep it casual, something like welcome to the Church of Squid. Upload your logo, then tap next to proceed. Now, you'll set the max supply for your token. The system suggests 1 billion squids, which is exactly right. Skip the tweaks and go straight to clicking next. The creator information page wants you to drop 0.1 Solana on promo. But here's the truth. You don't need it. Your coin's traffic will come from Radium, not some random site. Save your soul, turn this off, and bounce by clicking skip. Like I said earlier, more exposure isn't needed. Just leave the website and social media stuff empty and hit skip instead. Up next, revoke options. Keep them active. It's 0.3 Solana, but totally worth it for credibility. Turning them off lets you manipulate supply, lock wallets, or change token details, which scares off investors. They'll spot this instantly and avoid your coin like a rug pull. Pay now, win later. Then tap Launch My Token Now. Jump to the following page and click the last choice at the bottom to view your token on SoulScan. If the screen appears broken, don't panic. No NFT was created. Simply close it, wait a sec, and reopen from Launch Tool. Once it's back, you'll find your circulating supply, token name, and symbol right there. Okay, back in Launch Tool, time to make our liquidity pool. Click Create Liquidity Pool, and you'll bounce over to Radium. Wallet hooked up? Sweet. For the base token, choose your freshly minted token. Jump back to Launch Tool, copy your token's address by clicking the first icon, and paste it in the search field. Fill in your token's symbol and name, then tap Add User Token and select yours. Total supply? 1 billion tokens, so we're adding 900 million to the pool. The quote token is Solana. We're on Solana after all. Dump in all your SOL, but keep 0.2 SOL for fees. Pro move. You're the first buyer, so no losses here. Pick 2% fees, click Initialize Pool, and approve. Your meme coin is officially launched. Check the Portfolio tab, set to Standard, and refresh to see your LP eventually. Open Photon, filter by Radium, and boom, there's the coin we just launched. Click it, then copy the address from the link. The key part is whatever comes after that last slash. Hop on dexscreener.com, pick any token, and paste your token address right after the last / in the address bar. Now you're in. You might see some tiny bids, but those are just bots hoping for a cheap grab. The real volume comes later, so I'm just gonna wait it out. Yo, just scooped up a $60 buy. That's like 0.5 SOL. 5 minutes later, this coin starts pumping hard. Look at that spike. It's absolutely bonkers. Bro, this is gonna moon so fast, my timeline's already blowing up. Wild. This coin is up 380% since launch. Just in another buy, 0.85 Solana, $108, and momentum is insane. Price already up 17 times, liquidity at $440, and we just hit a $1,000 market cap. This strategy is actually genius, since we control the pool, downside is minimal, and we can rinse and repeat. Just dropped another 1.13 sol. $150 in, but I think we're good now. Time to take profits and rotate to the next play. The game is all about smart exits. Go back to Radium's website and open the portfolio tab. Stay in standard mode under my positions. If your assets aren't showing yet, be patient, refresh after a few minutes. When they load up, press the minus symbol, crank it to 100%, and click Remove Liquidity. Finalize the trade, and just like that, the funds are back under your control. Let me be clear, this is not financial advice and I don't endorse rugs. This is for educational purposes only. I'm not affiliated with any of these platforms. Anyway, I will leave the links down below. The setup is straight fire at the moment, but these waves don't ride forever. If you don't move now, you might miss the boat.